Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm getting ready to finally fix my airbag issue. I ran the scanner on it and it says there's a hard code on it. So I'm gonna get it removed and send it to my airbags.com, and they're gonna reset the factory settings to the airbag, and hopefully that gets fixed. Because they also say I had a broken seatbelt because the car was in a small accident. But I already replaced the seat belt and everything, so hopefully when I get it back, it's all just ready to go. So I'm about to pull it off right now. Hopefully it's easy, because it's in a really hard position to see. It should be somewhere behind all this. But I saw a video somewhere online that supposedly you don't need to remove all that. You could just remove this box and it's gonna be a tight fit, but you could get it out through there. Yeah, well, I'm gonna get started and see. I'll let you know what tools you need. The first thing I know is you gotta pull this out, but usually those just pull right out. So see, and then there's this small plug right here. Just twist it off, comes right off. Set that aside. It's kind of dark in there, but let me turn on my flashlight. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but it's like down here. Alright guys, so we're gonna move this. It's like a little tap right there. See that one there flew? And then there's a screw right there. Somewhere, yeah. Move this, that's bent. See, there's gonna be the screw right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Or we can go to the other side. La cámara. Ah, la verga. Está aquí a la puerta. Alright guys, now when you guys get to the other side, there's a clip there, but that one's missing, so just pull it and it should come right off. Yeah, I don't know what that is for. And then go ahead and remove this as well. Just pull it right off. Alright guys, so I removed those two screws right here. One here and one there. Then there's another two under this plastic right here. This one just pulls off. Then just get right here on the side. Take those screw off. Then you can pull this part off. Just set it aside or remove it completely. I don't know if you guys can see or not. Let me get closer. So once I remove that, say just set it right there or unplug it, whatever. Oh shit! Don't drop your quarters. No.
Hasta acá los oigo, no manches.
Las coras.
¿Eh?
Las coras.
Oh, las coras.
And then we're gonna remove this little box right here. See, there's some 10 millimeters right there. So, yeah, let me. Alright, so see those two screws come off, and go ahead and plug it so you could get it out of the way. Alright guys, so there's just two clips you push down and they come out right away. After that, there's, go ahead and cover this. Okay, no, on the yellow plugs, pull back and pull on the white tabs, pull back on the white tabs and just pull them back. See, right here. And then just pull it back and it comes right off. And then over here, there's a few torques. Let me check the size and I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, so there's a few torques. It's a T30. There's one on this side and I believe there's two on the other side. So let me pull this ones out. There's one. I'll go to the other side. Yeah, see there's one under there. And oh yeah, there's one under there. Let me get that one out. Alright, so that one's out. And okay, there's another two over here in the inside. See, there's another two down here. One there and one the other side. Alright guys, so see, it's all loose now. Just move those harnesses around so you can pull it out. So we're gonna send it down to myAirbags.com and they're gonna clean the hard codes on it and put it back to factory specs. And they told me it should take about a week from the time I send it and they arrive and send it back. So I'll keep you guys updated and see if, I'll keep you guys updated once I get it back, and I'll reinstall it and see if the light goes away, and we'll go from there. Hey guys, so I just got the airbag back, the airbag module back from, so this is the cart they sent me. Here on the card it says upfix360.com, but I did it through myairbags.com. So we're gonna throw this back on. As you can see, I already took the car apart again, so I'm gonna just throw this back inside and hook it up, and then maybe we'll recheck all the codes and see what we get. But hopefully it should be fixed now. Alright guys, so we're all done with that. Just gonna put the battery back on and test it out and see what happens. Alright guys, so I connected the battery and everything, so we're gonna start the car and see Alright guys, so the fucking light still, oh shit. Alright guys, so the light is gone, as you can see. It didn't turn back on. I didn't even need my scanner to reset it. Alright guys, so there it is. That was my fix. You know, because with the car where it was on the mall. The car, when I got it, they told me it was in a small fender bender. They replaced the fender and the hood. No, the fender, and they replaced the fender and the bumper. And then when I ran the scanner, I remember the seat belt, it said it was no good. And I replaced the seat belt, and the light's still there, you know. And I tried to clear the codes, and it will give me a hard code that I couldn't reset. Or I would reset it, it would come back right away. And yeah, so finally decided to get this fixed. And as you guys know, well, as I told you guys earlier, I sent it down to myairbags.com, and those guys only charged me like, what, $65 to reset the computer. And I sent it a Friday, and I got it back by the next Friday. So it took a week back and forth, so it wasn't bad at all for $65, you know, and that included the shipping. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll put the link in the bottom for you guys, you know. But sometimes the best way to be is check your codes and see what's wrong with your airbag light. Like on mine, when I had the seat belt, I knew I had a hard code because I couldn't reset it, and I had to take it to someone, but someone local wanted to charge me $250 to do it, you know. And then I asked a friend of mine that does auto body and stuff, and he told me he sent them down to myairbags.com, and he said they were great. So yeah, I sent it down there and everything worked perfect. So yeah, that will end it up for today, guys. So I hope you guys keep watching my videos and hit the like button and subscribe, and see you guys next time.